Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all in this pandemic time you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Hi, I'm Swati and I welcome you to the English classes of Amrose Institute. Do you all like fruits? The sweet, juicy fruits? Well, today's topic that we are going to learn is all about the idioms that are related to fruits. Today we are going to learn some interesting idioms that are related to fruits. So without wasting any time, let's start the class. So everyone, these are the idioms that we are going to learn today. The very first word that we have is a plum job. A plum job. Now plum. Plum is a sweet red fruit that we eat. Plum job means a very good or desirable job that you want. For example, now you are mature, you want to earn money, you want a job suitable for you, and one day you find that suitable job for you, then you can say that is a plum job for me. Yeah, this is a plum job for me. For example, finally, Sam found a plum job. It means finally Sam got a desirable job. He got a good job that he wants for himself. The next word that we have is lemon. You all know lemons that are sour in taste. Lemon means a product that does not work. You use the word lemon when you have a product, you have some electrical product, something that is not working properly. For example, you want a new phone, you want a new washing machine, and after some days it start giving you some problem, like your smartphones. You purchase a phone and after few days you realize that its storage is filling, or the phone is starting hanging. Then you say my phone is a lemon. For example, you can say I am very upset with the salesman as he sold me a lemon. Okay? You can say I'm upset with the salesman as he sold me a lemon. It means he sold me a product that does not work. Next word that we have is peach. You know peach, a sweet fruit that we eat. Peach, we use peach for those people or for those persons who are very helpful, who are very beautiful, or the persons who are very nice in nature. Someone who's looking very beautiful, you can say you are looking like a peach. It means you are looking like very beautiful, very gorgeous. So you use the word peach. For example, John is such a peach person as he always helps us whenever we need him. Okay, whenever you find a man, a person who always ready to help you, who is always ready to stand with you, you can tell him a peach person. John is such a peach person as he always helps you whenever you need him. The next idiom that we have is go bananas. Go bananas. This is my favorite one. Go bananas means go angry or go crazy. Whenever you feel like I'm going crazy, I'm going mad, then you can use I'm going bananas. For example, you are playing a game and you lose that game. You lost in that game. Then you can say I go bananas when I lost a game. I go bananas when I lose a game. The next one that we have is apple of your eye. Apple of your eye. Apple, a sweet red fruit. Here the idiom means someone that you are very fond of and admire of. For example, I am an apple of my mother's eye. It means you are a very sweet person. Yeah, some person is very sweet to you, very desire to you. Then you can say he is the apple of my eye. For example, you can say my niece is the apple of my eye. Okay everyone, so these are the interesting idioms that I have teach you today. I hope you all liked the video. You all learned so much of new words. Go use them in your daily conversations. If you like the class, please do share, subscribe the Ambrose Institute channel. Bye bye.